getting! Someone ordered from my slime shop. They wanted 2 purple jiggly slimes and a blue noise putty and an orange noise putty. So I have the 2 putties here and the 2 jiggly slimes here. This one is really sticky, and it's got loom bands in, and it's just really watery and liquidy. It's quite dirty as well, and the tub's quite dirty, but I'm giving her that. This is one of my favourite jiggly slimes, and I don't want to give her this, so I'm going to just give her an extra. And this used lip balm because it's an extra, because I don't really use it no more. So I'm going to give her that. I don't really have the rest of the blue noise putty, so I'm just going to give her that. And this orange noise putty is really dirty. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. Hey guys, so today I've got a slime package and I'm really excited, but I'm just going to see what the first thing is. Okay, so it's this lip balm, which I've been thinking is an extra, and it's used. She gave me used lip balm. That's just disgusting. Right, that's just disgusting, like seriously. Yeah, this orange nice been putty, and the first thing I see is this big bit of yellow stuff, and it's like really dirty. And I paid £3 for that, but that's okay. I paid £2 for this one. I don't know why she gave them a different. She only gave me this much of the blue one, and I paid £2 for it. Ooh, it's one of my purple jiggly slimes. Ooh, and it's so sticky. Yeah, and the tub is just not nice. But I did order 2, and it's not really there, so I don't know what's happened. But anyways, do hope you enjoyed this video.